action! Alala mo. Tingin sa malayo. Kilig. Ring!
Hello?
Nasaan ka na?
Ama, nasa Santa Maria na po ako, but I'm still adjusting. Pero mag-site visit na rin po mamaya and plan namin kayo. Tsaka pala, I still have to drop by the nearby towns kasi to set up meetings.
Are you coming home soon? Are you really okay? Why did you change your number?
May mga asexual ako sa rumay, pero don't worry about me. I'm really trying my best to be okay, to start a new life. Kaya basta don't worry about me. Tsaka mukhang doable naman pala yung foot traffic ng bagong mga sa area natin.
Alright anak, it's been a year, go out and date. That Susie girl is not worth it.
Well, I guess you're right, ma, but 5 years is still 5 years. Pero I think that's life, and I still have to move forward. Don't worry about me, ma, okay? I got to go, but love you, you know.
Nakita ko yung message, payment message. Galing kay Cristel. Salamat sa paghatid kagabi. Smile.